friends, and welcome to this week's Make and Take. This week we are making this very, very, very fun and so cute tiny little art journal. Oh, I just took it apart and now I'm putting it back together. Here we go. All right, so it's a tiny little art journal. It opens up, and then when you slide those off, on the inside is a tiny little book, and there's little pockets and little flowers, and then you have like little bits of paper on the side. So you can make like a tiny little art journal, and it's very exciting. Oh yes, Sunny is coming over to say hi. I don't know if you can see him. Here's his little paw. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do is we have our little fun kit here with all these fun little bits and pieces. All right. So in here, I have a wax seal already done for you. It looks like this. There's double-sided tape on the back, so we can easily stick that down when the time comes. This long strip of paper and the seal are going to be on the outside. We're going to stick those to the side for just a moment. All right, so let's talk about the base of our little mini art journal. So this is the base. It's rainbowy, rainbow flowers on the outside and rainbow stripes on the inside. So I want the flowers on the outside. If you want to do it differently, that's totally okay. You just fold so that you get the design you want on the outside. So I want the flowers on the outside. So that's how I'm going to start. All right, in your kit, you're going to see this piece of paper here. This is actually for the pocket. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab some scissors and you're going to cut it in half this way. Boop. And then we're going to put a tiny little angle on one side like that. On this one, we're going to do the angle on the other side, like this. Boop, there we are. All right, so now with your pages that fold like this third right here is going to fit this pocket perfectly. It is amazing. So what you do is put glue on the back side on the two, on the bottom left corner, right? So it's only there and there. So that way when we lay it down here, we're gonna be able to tuck things in from the top right-hand side, right here, boop. So we're gonna set that down. I'm just gonna set that in the corner, not going over this fold line. Same thing over here. Again, put glue here and here. Boop, boop. And then we're gonna lay that down in this corner. Again, making sure that we can still open our book and we do not have it landing on the fold line. All right, then we have all of these fun pages here. You should have 6 pages in your little book. I made sure that you got a nice fun collection. You can put them in rainbow order if you would like. I am the kind of person that I love putting things in rainbow order, so of course I'm going to do that. This is the order I would like to do, but you can do whatever order you'd like. Then I'm going to take this guy and I'm actually going to fold it in half like so. This fold is going to land on this fold here, so I'm going to slide that in place. Then we're going to grab a stapler. We're going to take those staples, make sure all the pages are in there. We're going to put the stapler right here on that fold line and staple and move it over a little bit. Again, on the fold line and staple again. When you do so, you have made a tiny little book inside of your art journal. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. All right, so now you can just kind of start decorating your book however your heart desires. So I'm going to show you a couple little ideas, but obviously you should do your own ideas, or you can expand on my ideas, whatever you would like. You can color with markers or colored pencils. You can just write a little story, write little notes. It could be a tiny little journal or diary that you and your friends share. There's so many different fun ideas, but I want mine to be flower themed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little dot of glue here with my little flower, and then I'm going to grab my fun black pen and I'm going to draw a little line here and some little grasses. This is my little flower. Now there's all these other little bits and pieces that you can just cut up and use however you would like. There's more flowers, there's little strips of paper. It's totally up to you what you would like to do. I'm going to cut out some cute little leaves because I think that would be kind of fun. Got that little guy there, and let's cut up this one here too. And then I'm going to add some little leaves onto my cute little flower here. Yes! Make it look kind of artsy. And then at the top here, I'm going to write flowers and fun. Yes! And then I like to add little dot groupings, and a dot grouping is a big dot and a few little dots. And then you can add other fun little things, whatever you want to do for your other little inside pages. It's totally up to you. Maybe you want to cut out some cute little things that say like, my favorite flowers are, and then you can list your favorite flowers. Maybe you want to say, maybe you have fun memories of like, I don't know, whatever you think. It could be like at the time that you picked your favorite flower, or maybe it was a time you gifted flowers to someone, or maybe you're planning to plant some flowers here pretty soon. I don't know. You have to decide. So I'm gonna, whatever you want to write, you can write whatever you would like, but I'm gonna just do my little flags on the inside here. I'm gonna say flowers. And then I'm gonna have another little one over here. And it's going to say our happiness. Okay, so maybe I'll cut out one more little fun flower for over here. So when we're cutting out like this is referred to as fussy cutting. Fussy cutting just means to cut out. I generally tell people that if it's taking you more than 1 minute to fussy cut, you're cutting too slow. All right, yay. All right, so once you've decided, maybe you need to pause for a minute, because I'm gonna pause and go work on another project, but whatever it is, you can take your little bits and pieces and add them into your little pocket, so that way you can work on your project later. So what's really cool about this is that you can put in whatever size you would like. I'm actually gonna trim this one down to size. Maybe you want to, it's a little journal that you and your friends want to work on at a different time. There's so many fun ideas. But that's what's cool about an art journal, is that it's for creating art in. So I'm gonna take all my little strips and put them into my little pockets that I created. Yay, little pockets. All right, excellent. Okay, so now that we're all done, we can put our little book together, but of course the book isn't gonna stay closed, which is where this part comes in, our wax seal and our little strip of paper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wax seal. This is double-sided tape, so I'm just gonna peel that top layer off. Just the top layer. There we are, so it's still sticky underneath. And we're gonna take our seal and just stick it right on the front, just like that. It sticks really nice. Then we're gonna take this, we're gonna take our book and fold it up. We're gonna bring this over. This seal is going to stay in the center, and we're gonna bring this to the back side. Now, obviously, the little side pieces are way too long. I'm gonna trim them just a little bit, not a lot. Otherwise, if you trim them too much, they will no longer fit. So it's very important that you don't trim it too much. You bring this to the back side, and you just fold that on over. I'm going to use a little bit of glue to just glue that to itself. We don't want to glue it to the book, otherwise it won't come off the book. And there we have our fun little art journal. Oh my gosh, so fun. And that just slides off and this opens up. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Perfect for inspiring creativity, or really great for giving to a friend. Maybe you have some fun little flowers that you've pressed and then you want to feature them somewhere. This would be a great book for that. Thanks for joining us, friends. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.